What we've done as the DMA, we've developed a piece of software called the DNC, Do Not Contact Me, which is a national list that we ask consumers, please go to www.dma.org. You'll see a hand that says stop, do not call. Click on that, put your name down on that list, and we have 385, which has now grown to 411 companies. And these marketers, before they send out any marketing, they will clean that marketing list on the DNC. If your ID is there, if your cell number is there, you'll be excluded. So, let me give you an example. We get in a quarter from January, February, March, about over 200 million lookups on that DNC. And we save 109,000 people from getting an ad. Wow. Because it pushes their name off those lists. And they're respecting your right if you are on the DNC. So I'd say first point of call, do not contact. If they contact you, get hold of us at the DMA. We're on the website. Our number is 0861 362 362. And we will then put a formal complaint and we'll get you to speak with the company. And generally, they take us very seriously. So I'd say be careful, because if you end up on our blacklist, you won't get any contracts from meaningful brands.